This is the Amoi A13, a pair of wireless earbuds which I actually bought from Shopee Singapore about 3 months ago. But finally, I have the time to actually sit down and do a proper quick review. Hi everyone, this is Johnny. Welcome to my channel. So basically, my channel actually focuses on reviewing and testing budget and affordable wireless earbud and help you to decide before you hit the buy button. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So the Amoi A13 in the Shopee Singapore, it actually has a rating of 4.8 out of 5 star. It has also sold about 500 sets, but at $15, 15 Singapore dollars, are they actually any good? Can they actually deliver a decent performance at such a low price? Well, stay tuned, because we're going to find out all this right now. So now, in terms of the general build, design and quality, I would say that it's actually a very basic packaging, so build quality. The cover lid is made of thin translucent plastic with a very shiny finishing, and it also scratches very easily. Now, there's actually no logo on the case and earbuds. It's very low profile, very minimalist. It's something that I like. It checks that particular box in me. Now, there's actually a LED light on the front. You can see here, there's an LED panel on the front. Now, this LED panel is actually for you to display the clock, as you can see here, right? So the two buttons here is actually for you to adjust the time, right? So here you can actually adjust it accordingly. See, there is actually two ports on the side. You can see here. So there's a normal USB-A and a micro USB. So the micro USB is actually for the charging input. The USB-A is actually for charging output. So there's actually on the other side is a built-in flash. So you just need to hold on the side here for about 3 to 5 seconds, and you actually switch it on. There you go. All right. A bit glaring. All right, I'm pointing directly at the camera, but you can see. Right. So press on it again. It will switch it off. Alright, so they also included a lanyard here for you to hook it probably to your bag or to something. Not too bad. Alright, so once you actually open the lid, you'll be greeted with a huge LED light here, a LED display here. So this is actually in the middle. It will show you the percentage, alright, of the battery left in the case, and then on the charging indication for the left and the right earbud next to the side. Alright, so let me take it out so that you can see an example. Alright, so you can see here, the figure in the middle is actually to show the percentage of battery in the case, and then the left and right indication for the earbuds. So the earbuds itself they're actually pretty huge. Let me take out the earbuds. So the earbuds are pretty big. They have a very big wing, I would say. Alright, perhaps I guess it's taking on inspiration from the Sony WF-1000 XM3. They look pretty chunky as well. Let me rotate it to the side, then you can see. Alright, on the back view, you can see it's actually pretty chunky, pretty thick. And you can see the earbuds here. Right, so the ear tip, I would say is pretty long compared to other earbuds which I've actually reviewed. So I would say that it actually enters midway into your ear canal. But of course, the silicone seal provided is pretty soft and pretty thin. Now, on a regular basis, due to the large wing, the large design and the chunky design, I just start to feel some pain, on the outer part of my ear here. Alright, especially wearing it for just about 30 to 40 minutes. It's very rare that I will actually feel pain or feel ear fatigue within such a short period of time. So I would say that this kind of design for this particular earbud is not really, especially fine-tuned for long hours of wearing, right? Now, the earbuds are actually rated to be IPX4 water resistant. So this means that they are actually sweat resistant. You can wear them for jogging, for exercise, short ones, etc. No problem. Now, the A13, they actually uses touch control, so it's actually built in here. So they're actually located, alright. But the thing is that they are actually not customizable. But the good thing is that Amoi actually throw in a volume control, right? So that you can actually adjust the volume while you're listening to music or listening to the videos, right? Without interacting with your phone too much. Of course, another thing to take note is that there's no dedicated app for additional control or EQ, and they have slight noise, passive noise cancellation. It's actually able to buffer some level of noise. That's it. There's no active noise cancellation. Now, moving on to the battery life, I would say is that for the earbuds itself, on a single charge, it can actually come close to about 2 hours on music at 100% volume. When it comes to phone call or Zoom, Skype, etc., they can only last about 1.5 hours. And when it's at low battery, you actually start to experience intermittent connection. Now, for the case itself, it's actually able to charge up both earbuds up to 10 times. Now, even though the seller actually claimed that the case is actually able to recharge 15 to 20 times. Right, so this is actually something to take note. Now, the case actually allows you to charge the individual earbuds, okay, one by one instead of both at the same time, which is good if you actually intend to just use one earbud at a time. And it takes about 1 hour to charge the earbuds from 0 to 100. And then if you want to recharge the case itself, it takes about 2 to 2.5 hours to recharge the entire case from 0 to 100. And once it's actually fully charged, the LED display, which you see actually at the top, it will automatically go off. Now, in terms of connectivity with the earbuds, I would say it's pretty simple. All you need to do is follow the pairing instruction given in the instruction manual, and it's very straightforward. And of course, subsequent reconnection is pretty easy as well. It takes about 3 seconds, okay, to reconnect back with your devices via Bluetooth once you take the earbuds out from the casing. Now, occasional intermittent connection is what I've actually experienced over the last couple of days, and this happens very randomly. It has nothing to do with the phone itself or the earbuds itself, even though I've actually tried to do a few times of factory reset, but the problem is still there. So I guess this could be due to the price point. Now, the last thing to take note in terms of connectivity is that the Amoi A13 do not support multi-device connection or multi-point connection. So this means to say that you can only use the earbuds with one device at one time. Now, in terms of music quality, I would say that the audio output is pretty decent, it's pretty loud even at 30 to 40% level. At 30%, I would say that sometimes the audio will start to crack when listening to certain types of music, but generally for other types of music which I listen to, like general pop, R&B, hip-hop, when I even set it to 70%, that's perfectly fine. And I would say that don't expect too much in terms of music quality. I mean, for very casual listening, this is perfectly okay. Now, in terms of using the Amoi A13 for games, I would say that the audio quality is pretty average. There's actually a pretty significant audio delay, like sound effect delay during gameplay. So I would not recommend the Amoi A13 for gaming, even if you're a very casual gamer like me. And finally, in the next segment, I'll be actually putting up a couple of audio clips for you to actually listen to and judge for yourself the microphone quality of the Amoi A13. So do remember to put on your headphones. Now, the first audio clip is to demonstrate the microphone quality of the Amoi A13 if you're going to be using it indoors.
Hi everyone, this is how your voice will sound like on the Amoi A13 wireless earbud. This is currently in an indoor environment. Let me know how you feel about the voice quality. So this is actually how your voice will sound like in an indoor environment. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
This is how your voice will sound like on the iPhone 12 mini. This is how your voice will sound like on the iPhone 12 mini. Now, the next sound clip is to actually demonstrate the microphone quality of the Amoi A13 if you're actually trying to answer a phone call while you are walking inside a shopping mall.
Hi everyone, this is a mic test on the Amoi A13 wireless earbuds. This is a mic test on the Amoi A13 wireless earbuds. I'm actually currently walking around the shopping mall, so let me know what you think of the voice quality. Let me know what you think of the mic quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
The next audio clip is to demonstrate the microphone quality of the Amoi A13 if you're actually trying to have a phone conversation while you are in a coffee shop.
Hi everyone, this is a mic test on the Amoi A13 wireless earbuds. This is a mic test on the Amoi A13 wireless earbuds. I'm currently inside a coffee house. So let me know what you think of the voice quality. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
And finally, the next audio clip is actually to demonstrate the microphone quality of the Amoi A13 if you wish to use it with Zoom or Skype or Microsoft or Google Team if you're actually working from home.
This is how your voice will sound like on the Amoi A13 wireless earbuds. This is how your voice will sound like on the Amoi A13 wireless earbuds. This is actually via Zoom. Let me know what you think of the voice quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a mic test on the M1 MacBook Air built-in microphone. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a mic test on the M1 MacBook Air built-in microphone. Alright, so what's my final verdict on the Amoi A13 wireless earbud? Should you buy it? Honestly speaking, at this price point, I personally feel that it's better that you look at other wireless earbud, which has actually better sound, it has better call quality, it has also longer battery life per usage. Still, I won't really stop you from buying it if you want, but I strongly recommend you to buy something else or save your money. And there you have it. I hope you enjoy my personal sharing of the Amoi A13. If you did, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and share this particular video with your friends who are actually considering the Amoi A13. My name is Johnny and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!